Hello, my 3D printer peeps. Today, Creality has released Creality Print 6.2, and with it comes a new tab called AI MakeNow. In that tab come two new tools. One is an AI tool that generates a figure from a photo. The other is a maker tool that allows you to create your own signs. Both of these tools are somewhat interesting and somewhat early days. However, with these tools comes a new era in Creality Print functionality that will hopefully lead to a lineup of tools that make 3D printing a little more fun for everybody in the Creality space. Let's have a quick peek at these new tools in Creality Print 6.2 right now. To download Creality Print 6, you're going to want to go to crealitycloud.com. In crealitycloud.com, go right here to Downloads, and you'll find Software. Here in Software, go ahead and choose Creality Print. Under Creality Print, you'll want this one, 6.2. Click on that, and it will go ahead and download. I'm sure most of you have installed Creality Print updates by now, but go ahead and press Yes when it asks to uninstall the old version. And upon first boot, you will be greeted with something new, this god-awful 5-step tutorial. You may press skip, or you may press next. As you can see, these tutorial steps are absolutely useless, and I have no idea who decided they belong here. Finishing this up, you will land on Creality Print 6, and in here is where it's hiding a new feature. Go on to the home screen by pressing the Creality logo, and you've got a new button called AI MakeNow. Click into MakeNow, and a new window will open. You've got two items so far, Sign Generator and the Mini-Me. During the testing phase, this was painfully called Make My Sign. We've basically got two things. You can create a Mini-Me out of a photo, or you can make a sign. I'm not going to get into teaching you guys how to use this right now, but we'll have a quick peek. By clicking Start Creating, you'll be presented with this screen. On the bottom, you'll see all past projects, and since you're new to this, you will click New Project. I did ask they replace the word signage work with something more appropriate for the English language, but they did not. I'll rename it My First Sign. In here, you will be greeted with something similar to Bamboo Labs' Make My Sign. You can add a plate. You can add text. You can add emojis. You can import an SVG file. And an assortment of other things you'd expect from a tool like this. It's a very basic tool with a lot of work to do yet. However, it does work, and tools like this are quite useful. The more you tinker with this tool, the more things you'll find you can actually use it for. One thing I had asked for was a button to return us to the tool homepage. The Make Now icon right here would have worked for that. Unfortunately, this didn't happen, so we have to go back to Creality Print 6 or use our back arrow button to get here to the main page where you can switch to the Cube Me section. This is an interesting tool. I was actually able to make a lighthouse with this, and even my daughter holding a fishing pole and a fish. This is based on an actual photo of her holding a fishing pole and a fish, and it recreated a model of this. During the testing of this program, I wasn't pleased with how it assigned color, and I do think the coloration of the parts needs a lot of work. Even the single color needs a lot of work because you can export this and then use the fill tool to get some colors. But I found the fill tool had trouble differentiating between each section, and somehow maybe the AI can be adjusted to make this work better. Obviously, this is not ideal for our print. We were pushing the boundaries of things, but the tool does work. You can take a photo of something and create a cartoon image of it. For example, here's me. Let's make a sitting cubey, clay, chibi Clay version of me. Oh my God. Oh my God. See, this is beautiful. I love this. Oh my God, I love this. The problem is when you actually generate this model, it's not going to look as good and the coloration is going to be somewhat poor. And here we are. This is the model preview. We can turn texture on or off right here. I'll leave texture on and let's go ahead and see what it looks like. And there I am. Not too bad. I've got some kind of skin disease and someone's poked me in the eyes a few dozen times, but it did in fact make a cute little representation of me holding the Wii remote. It's even got the little lanyard here. I'd like to point out there's absolutely no way this lanyard is being printed, leaving us with a model that's probably fairly useless for 3D printing. This is not something unique to Creality's new AI setup. This is something that is kind of common in the AI space, and we'll see what happens in the time as all these tools develop. So there you go. This is what the Creality AI tools look like. Again, there's no way to get out of this and return to Creality Print without manually switching back yourself. So if you are a Creality user, go ahead and download the new version 6.2 and check out the new AI tools and make now. As you can see, with only 2 tools, this is still early days. There's a lot of work needed on both these tools, and we need a lot more than 2 tools. However, it's nice to see Creality dipping their toes into the world of AI and maker tools. I look forward to what they bring to the table and playing with them in the coming months. I'm Mr. Greg. Let me know what you think of these new tools, and you're on 3D Rundown.